Alright, supposedly this is it. Yeah, this is supposed to be my forks here. So alright, just the open box. That's all we got. Look at that. Alright, well, I'm surprised it wasn't all tore up. This was one of the complaints, is that missed some parts because the boxes were busted open, but this one was not. Our delivery people done a good job on this one, so I'm going to work through this in phases for you. Alright, so this is what we've got here. So, alright, I'm going to tighten that up and everything locked in nicely down here on these. So, I mean, it fit. There's no extra room, but you didn't need extra room, you know. That fit nicely. This is a Kubota L series L3302. I think the 2500 and the 09s, I think they're all the same frames, I'm guessing. Alright, I gotta tighten this up, and then we don't want to test run it. We got it off. Sweet. That's a sweet move there. And these are lighter bales, so but I gotta wait till I can put on the back and get that big one. It's a lot easier than the rear steer.